Hi, I'm Dr. Garima and I will be taking care of pathology here at Acexams. I did my MBBS from Lady Hardinge Medical College and my MD in pathology from Maulana Azad Medical College in New Delhi, in which I also got a gold medal. Thereby, I did DNB pathology, which is actually a two-step exam, and I got the highest marks, for which I got a gold medal as well as President's Award. So friends, when it comes to competitive exam preparations, be it the NEET PG, the FMGE or even the USMLE, a lot of emphasis is given to pathology. Pathology is a unique branch that ways that it links the basic sciences to the clinical sciences. And if your concepts in pathology are crystal clear, your foundation for medicine, surgery as well as obs and gynae is laid strong. If we look at the typical exam pattern, about 25 to 30 questions are from pathology. And to add to this, another 25 to 30 questions from medicine and surgery as well are easily solvable if your pathology is good, if your concepts are good and if you have read it well. Furthermore, with the change in the patterns of the existing exam, the upcoming next exam, a lot of focus has shifted to integrated medicine. So most questions come which are image based and which are based on clinical scenarios and what you see in your daily clinical practice. So focusing on that, the preparation also needs to differ. So can this be done by rote learning and by trying to read textbooks from cover to cover? Certainly not. This can only be done if you know what to study, how to study and how much to study. A more guided and a goal-based preparation. Keep in mind that everybody who is appearing for these exams has capability of immense hard work, has access to similar kind of resources and is also fortunately blessed with good intellect and memory. But not all people who work hard are able to clear successfully in these entrance exams, do they? So the people who perform well in these exams are the ones who know a very little secret mantra. And that mantra I'm happy to share is that about 50% of the content forms 80% of the questions. You know, this is so huge. So if you are able to master those 50% of the topics, you will be able to answer and perform well in the exam so that your selection is 100% guaranteed. And if you also are able to read rest of the 50% content, well, that would be your rank deciding subject. So if you know and if you are clear with this is what I should know and this is what is good to know, then what about the books and online resources these days? So my students, they ask me, and I get this question a lot, that my senior, she read MCQs from 4 books, she watched videos from 2 books and she had notes from at least 3 or 4 people I know. And still she couldn't get a good rank. So I feel so anxious, the students, they say to me, and how to go about it, what to do. So my answer to this question is very simple, that this is exactly where we tend to go wrong. Bruce Lee also said once that I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. So you understand, if you try to divert and your focus is shifted to so many platforms, first of all, it is just so overwhelming. Second of all, your labor, your time, your energy would be gone in just trying to complete one subject. What about rest of the 18 subjects? And forget about having time to revise. And unless you don't revise, you won't remember. So what have we done here at Acexams? At Acexams, the videos have been curated such, and the notes have been built very methodologically. The questions are based on the existing pattern, so that your lookout for more resources is finished, and you have one trusted source which you can rely upon, and you can base your preparation on this. So we have done 80% of the hard work with our technique and with our experience, and rest 20% is up to you. All the best.